cab, a resort in Badagry, and we are currently chilling and having fun this weekend. It's been so much fun. We went through Badagry yesterday to Badagry town, and we saw like a couple of places that you would have probably seen before. I mean, we went to the slave trade and stuff like that. Whew. Let me catch my breath. We're going to be telling you guys about how we got monetized with just one video. You heard me right, one video. If that sounds like something you'll be interested in, then definitely keep watching. And if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to Heritage Afrique. I mean, join the family, join the gang, because we are lit over here, okay? So in today's video, we are going to be taking you guys through how we got monetized with one video. And if that sounds like something you'll be interested in, stay with me here, because firstly, we have a business idea to bring to you. Because we visited the biggest market in Badagry, popularly known as the Agbalata market. It has a lot of things going on, trust me. A lot being sold, hair, clothes, food stuff and stuff like that. But one thing caught our attention was the huge coconut store inside the market. This market is basically a depot of coconuts. I mean, they told us that coconuts from different states and countries like Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Ouida in Benin Republic were brought to this market to be sold in the most affordable price. Resources, yeah, true. But I want to make a beach.
Bag. It depends on your house to buy one bag. No matter determine a price. 40 ounce and 1 ounce, that's 40 pieces. So driver negotiate prices. That's one of the money. I work.
Okay, I work on gas.
Did you guys hear that? So these coconuts are measured in hands, like hands, your hands, and one hand is 40 pieces, which costs about 8,000 naira, 8,575. So from 7,500 to 8,500. One hand, 40 pieces, so and that's 8K. So if you don't resell it as a retailer now, that's like, you can sell one for 400 naira, and that's going to be like how much? 440. I don't even want to think about it. Tell me a better business, cause wow. I mean, it was very good to know, it was very good to learn that the coconuts in that place isn't just from Badagry, it's from different walks of life. And that bag that you guys are currently looking at or that you've seen, there are 5 hands inside, which is 200 pieces. So yeah, it's pretty lucrative if you'd ask me. So let's get into today's video, how we got monetized with one video. So if you've been watching Heritage Afrique for quite a while now, I mean, literally 6 months ago, you will know what we are all about on this channel. On this channel, we basically cover African culture, lifestyle, heritage. I mean, everything you can think about in Africa, within Africa, outside Africa, and that's what we do. So basically, even though we went a little bit outside our niche to get this one done. And if you want to know that video that got us monetized, don't worry, stick with me. I'm still coming there. I'm coming there. So basically, we are a team of 4. We have me, which is like the face of the brand, which is the voice you'll be hearing and missing. We have the cameraman, which is literally behind the camera. We have the drone flyer, and we have our sponsor in person of, do I say his name? Do you want to know him? But anyway, his name is Mr. Koyejo, and we've been together going on this journey, going on this tour, going to these places together, and it's been a fun ride.
Hi, I'm Koyejo Adegbeso. I'm the sponsor of this YouTube channel. And I hope you've enjoyed all our work so far. We look forward to doing more with you. Just ensure to continue to click the like button and subscribe so that we can have more funds to kind of travel the world and bring more of Africa to you as we know how to do best. Thank you very much, guys.
Hi guys, I'm Ereton Samson, known as Ozo Baba. I'm the one taking all the area view for Heritage Afrique. I hope you guys are enjoying those powerful videos. Watch out for more powerful ones from Heritage Afrique. Thanks. Please subscribe and share.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Yanu Taiwo, the man behind the lens, always, basically. And yeah, we're the one that creates all the content for Heritage Africa, and we appreciate you guys so far for the support, the love, the likes, the comments, the shares. and of course the subscription. You helped us break records legally, and that's so mind-blowing, and all I can say is thank you. Thank you for loving our craft, thank you for loving our content, and just stay tuned. We are going to keep giving you more of what you love. Thank you.
But one thing I would say when it comes to YouTube is, who says you have to stick to one niche? Nobody, which is where I am coming to. So the first thing that I can say got us monetized is we were creating searchable content. We were very intentional about the kind of content we were creating. We made sure we were creating just searchable content that you have to actually look for on the YouTube search engine. And that was literally something that helped us. If you go through our videos, you will know that we don't just create content out of the fun of creating content. There's something you would look out for, and there's something that when you also see them on your channel pages, you would see that, okay, I want to watch this, I am interested in this. Another thing we did that also helped us to achieve our monetization very early was that we used engaging hook and captivating title. That was something that was very key to us. We made sure that for every video we dropped, when you see the title, it has to captivate you. It has to make you feel like watching our video. Do you understand? We just didn't film for the fun of filming. We were filming with intention that we want to get monetized. The video that actually got us monetized was our fish farm video. We basically documented the life of a farmer in Ekpe. He has a fish farm, a poultry, and a vegetable farm, and that was what got us monetized. I'm not even going to lie to you. That video, as at now, has 75k views on YouTube. If you've not watched it, the link is somewhere here or here, so make sure you watch it and make sure you are all caught up. So basically, it took us through how he made money from this multifaceted farm he has, and is now a millionaire, a multi-millionaire, sorry, excuse my French, multi-millionaire. I mean, isn't that beautiful? I don't even know why I would not want to watch that. So when we posted that, our caption was something in line of how I became a multi-millionaire from agriculture, from farming. Do you understand? And that is captivating. That is what I mean by a captivating title and a captivating hook. The hook we used in that video was where it was talking about how it might not wear the finest clothes, it might not have the finest cars, but when it looks at his poultry, it knows that it's sitting on millions. I mean, if you watch that, you'll be wondering, which million, where's million coming from? So that's what we mean by captivating hook, engaging title, beautiful thumbnail, a thumbnail that already speaks for your brand without if you even speaking. The thumbnail is already doing the magic. That is exactly what you need to do. Another thing that got us monetized was our use of keywords in our videos. So for every video we put out, we make sure that we use the right keyword, making use of search engine optimization, because when anybody watches that video, they have to easily be able to see you. So I was talking about search engine, I was talking about searchable content, but if you create searchable content and you're not searchable, then there's no point. It's of no use. So you have to make use of keywords in your video so that you can even appear on the search engine space or face. One key thing that I would say caught us by surprise is the fact that our best performing video, which is the video that got us monetized, was a local content. I mean, who would have thought? We didn't have to travel to the best places in the world to get the best content. Not even our Benin Republic video has performed this good. So if we could do it, you can do it as well. Just grab your phone, find something educative and fascinating in your locality and document it. A lot of us miss it and think you have to spend so much on your YouTube channel to get monetized. And I'm sure this video has proven otherwise. And voila, Everything Afrique got monetized with just one video. Currently, that video has over 4,000 watch hours. It had over 4,000 watch hours in 1 month, and now it's even over 4,000 watch hours. It's currently on 75k views. Isn't that amazing? You don't need the best equipment, you don't need the biggest money, you don't need the most expensive equipment. All you need is your phone and an educative content. You would be surprised at how people are getting monetized while they were still using their phone, or while they are still using their phone to film. So don't let that be a discouragement. Don't let that make you feel like you're not doing enough, because you are killing it, I can assure you. aforementioned was what got us monetized on Reside Afrique, and a little bit of juju. So anyways, thank you so much for sticking with us. Thank you for staying. Thank you for watching. And don't worry, we are still here for you guys, and we are still going to be giving you more and more of, exciting stuff. So that's it, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to keep subscribing, click on the like button. Don't forget to share with your family and your friends, and keep following us on this journey to make this money.